We're creating a sleek Hollywood glam look. And these are my go-to products, Osis Flatliner and Osis Magic. After washing your client, you want to apply Osis Flatliner from the scalp to the ends. This protects your hair up to 392 degrees heat, fights off humidity, and gives all day long control. When using your Osis Flatliner, be sure to generously apply it from scalp all the way to ends. To achieve this sleek look, we're going to be using our blow dryer with a small concentrator and our Denman brush. We're going to flat wrap the hair. The flat wrapping technique compresses the cuticle, gets rid of all the volume. You want to begin by blow drying the hair all one direction, so the hair dries about 70% of the way, and then follow up blow drying the opposite direction until the hair is completely dry. Then finish the look with your flat iron. Flat ironing is very important to this sleek Hollywood glam look. It really gets out any excess volume, especially in long hair. It is very important to really polish that hair and to take fine sections while doing it. To achieve a high shine finish, I'm going to use Osis Magic. It's anti-frizz control and it's weightless hold. I never let my clients walk out the door without finishing with Osis hairspray.